Hey guys, Luke here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you my top 3 favorite affiliate marketing programs for beginners. Now, when I first got into affiliate marketing, these are some of the first affiliate marketing programs that I used and that I'm still using today. So I'm still promoting these offers and they're still making me money. And I really think that these are some of the best affiliate marketing programs to start with if you're a beginner, if you're new to affiliate marketing, if you're new to making money online. So without any further ado, let's jump in. All right, so number 1 on our list is Builderall. Now, the reason I like Builderall is because Builderall is an all-in-one tool that basically has everything that you need in order to start your online business. And the great thing is that if you were to get all these tools and pay for them individually, it'd be over like $1,000 a month. But with Builderall, you get them and it's basically under $100 a month for everything. So when you're first starting out and you don't have a lot of money to spend on these kind of tools, Builderall is a great option because you have, again, basically everything you need in one place. So with Builderall, you get like a website builder, you get the funnel builder, you get the checkout, you get pop-ups, you have a CRM, you have email marketing, you have SMS messaging, you have basically everything you need. There's like over 200 tools with Builderall. And this is why I started with Builderall. I'm still using Builderall to this day. And again, it has everything that I need to run my business. So their plans start at about $30 a month for their basic plan, and they go up to $100 a month. Now with Builderall, they pay you in monthly reoccurring commissions. So if someone has, say, the premium plan and they're paying $70 a month, you would get a percentage of that every single month that they are paying their bill. So this can add up really quickly, especially if you're bringing in multiple sales. So taking a look here at their affiliate program, you can see that along just with all the tools that they offer you, that there are several affiliate marketers who are making well over 6 figures promoting Builderall. So Builderall is a popular affiliate program. And again, it's a great one to start with because you can make a lot of money. Now, here again, it goes over the second tier commission, which is a 30% recurring commission. They say that you receive a 30% commission on the sales of the affiliates that you bring in. That is, someone else sells and you receive a commission on a recurring basis. So you make commission on your sales and you also make commission off the sales of people that you bring in. So they have this really cool calculator that you can use just to get an idea kind of realistically what can you expect by promoting this program. So for instance, if you were to make just 1 sale per month, 12 sales per year, and then if you brought in 12 people, 12 affiliates to the program, and they made about 12 sales per year, promoting, say, their mid-tier plan, which is $70 a month, that would be about $3,200, a little over $3,200 a month in recurring commissions. So you can see here that it can add up really quickly with this plan. Now, when you get started with Builderall, you have 2 options to get signed up as an affiliate. Option 1 is you're a Builderall customer affiliate, and that's what I am. I'm also a customer of Builderall, but I'm also an affiliate. And you can also start as a solo affiliate. So that means that you don't have to actually use Builderall to promote Builderall as an affiliate. So option 2 means you can just start promoting it, making money, and you don't actually have to sign up for Builderall as a customer. All right, now number 2 on our list is GetResponse. And GetResponse is an email automation tool that allows you to set up sequential emails that you can send out to your customers. Now, this has become essential software for any business owner. If you have a business, you have to be able to reach out to your customers with email, and having a software tool like GetResponse allows you to automatically send out sequential emails to your customers regarding sales, regarding offers, promotions, anything like that. And it's a great way to sell products and to maintain customer loyalty. So having software like this is essential. And there's always people that are looking for this kind of software, and they're looking for high quality reviews and recommendations. So for an affiliate, this is a great product to promote. So they offer email marketing, website builder, marketing automation, conversion funnels, and more. So they are starting to build this into more of an all-in-one tool, similar to a Builderall. So if we take a look at their plans, it starts at $15 a month. It goes to $49 a month for their mid-tier plan, and then $99 a month for their professional plan. And there's 2 ways you can get paid with the GetResponse affiliate program. Either the $100 payout for every referred sale, or you can do their reoccurring program, which is 33% a month reoccurring, as long as they keep paying their bills. So if you get someone signed up with the professional plan at $99 a month and they pay that for a couple of years, you can imagine how much you would make over time with that. So some of the benefits are unlimited commissions. You get free marketing assets, which is really important. You want to make sure that you have good promotional material to use in order to make sales. So they offer really good marketing material. There's detailed statistics, and you have a 120-day cookie day life limit. So that means that once someone clicks on your affiliate link, they have up to 120 days to make a purchase, and you'll still get paid. So you have that 120-day window to earn a commission, which is really good. So one of the best things about this program too is that you don't have to be signed up and using them as a customer in order to sign up for their affiliate program. So you can just get signed up right away. They'll automatically accept you. There's no waiting period, and you can get started promoting this program today. So if you're looking for a really good email automation software tool to promote, I definitely recommend GetResponse. All right, guys, now last but definitely not least on our list, we have the 15-day challenge by Legendary Marketer. Now, this is my favorite affiliate marketing program to promote for beginners, because not only if you go through this program will it teach you exactly how to set up and start your own online business, but once you go through it, it's a great program to promote yourself. So inside the 15-day challenge, Dave Sharp, who is the founder of Legendary Marketer, he actually walks you through 15 days of setting up your own online affiliate marketing business. So in every day you have these assignments to do. There's going to be a training going over different aspects of setting up your business, like sales funnels, generating leads, presenting, and even going over the right kind of mindset to have in order to have a successful online business. So this is the only program that costs a little bit of money to get started with. It's only $7, which the value you get for that is huge. I mean, $7 is nothing for what comes with this course. So once you're inside the 15-day challenge and you go through all those 15 days and you're ready to get started, they have all these extra resources for you as an affiliate, and you can look at the different products that you can promote with the Legendary Marketer system. So for instance, they have the 15-day challenge, which you can actually promote yourself. They also have the 15-second free leads and their insider's guidebook and the copywriter's playbook. And with all of these different programs that you can promote, they have all the resources that you need in order to market it effectively. So you have all the marketing material already in place. You just have to use your affiliate link, point it to the right sales page, and a Legendary Marketer does the rest. I mean, they have very effective sales material, so it's really easy to make sales with this program. So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're looking for a really good system to get started with, to teach you how to build an affiliate marketing business, and then to have a program that you can yourself promote and review as someone who's actually gone through the program yourself, then I definitely recommend the 15-day challenge by Legendary Marketer. I went through it myself. It was a huge help in getting me started, and I always recommend it to anyone who's new to affiliate marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this guide, guys. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you found this video to be valuable, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.